Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's project we're going to make our own refreshing hairspray. As formulator, you know, we cannot afford to stay in a stinking house or stinking room or stinking toilet, because we can make our own refreshing hairspray without having to go to the store to buy it. We can make it. Formulator are very dynamic people. They are creative people, and that's what makes us excellent. So I wanted to give a high five to any formulator that's beside you. Also give a high five to Natural Skincare School by clicking the subscribe button below and the notification icon. So this is not a crappy DIY. Sorry to say, DIY use grams. We really do not have time for that. We have advanced on this channel. We are advanced formulator, and all of you are advanced. And if you're not, you're going to by watching my video and by clicking the subscribe button. So let's make a professional hairspray for, you know, freshen up our washroom, freshen up our linen, our bed and our bedroom. Now today what you will need to make this is fragrance oil. Why I use fragrance oil for body sprays? That essential oil do not really last that long. Okay, when it comes to making the smell to last long, essential oil are not the best to use, and you cannot mix essential oil and fragrance oil together. So that's why if I want to make body spray, for instance, I use essential oil, because I do not want synthetic fragrance to get on my skin. But if I want to use hairspray that will last longer and I'm going to eliminate more odor, you need to go for a standardized fragrance spray. I use a supplier here in Canada, New Direction Aromatic. The fragrance oil that they bring are non-toxic. They don't have parabens or other scary ingredients, so we can trust them, okay, to make good and, you know, non-toxic fragrance oil for us. So I will be using Lemongrass Verbana fragrance oil. This oil smells amazing. I even share with my partner, and he loves it so much. He even recommended I use this to make this tonight. So we're going to be making Lemongrass Verbana hairspray. What you're going to do is we'll use 2% of Lemongrass Verbana, because we want it to stay longer. Then we're going to use 0.5% of liquid Germa Plus preservative. Then we're going to use distilled water. That's all we're going to use today. So without further ado, take your measuring cup or measuring bottle, whichever you are using, 2% of your fragrance oil. So meaning if you're making 100 grams, is going to be 2 grams also. Then we're going to add our solubilizer. My solubilizer of choice today is Tegosoft 61. It's a professional solubilizer to mix fragrant oil or essential oil with water. So we're going to use that also at 2%. Okay, we're going to use that also at 2%. Then we're going to mix both together very well. The most important part is mixing. When you are solubilizing your fragrance oil and for hairspray. Once you have this cloudy mixture, you know you are good to add water, but just make sure you mix both together very well. Okay, mix both together very well using a stirring rod. We're going to put it back on our scale. Then we will measure 95 grams of water. Okay, 95.5 grams of water. It's also 95.9% depending on what you're making. So 95.5. Then you mix it slightly together. Then we had our preservative. I'm using liquid Germa Plus at 0.5%. You mix it together. And your fragrance oil is here. That's it. Do not worry about the cloudy mixture. Tegosolve is used, will change color. It's going to go clear in the next 24 hours. Okay. It's going to stay clear in the next 24 hours. So pour it inside a spray bottle of your choice. Make sure it has this kind of top so that you'll be able to spray it easily. Okay, this is the type of top you want so that you can be able to spray it, and cover it. If you like, shake it together. Whether you shake it or not, it's just going to remain, you know, stable at this phase. So make sure you put your label on so as to know what you make. So today, that's our experiment, that's our project for today. This is your, you know, air refreshing fragrance spray. You can use it in the room, you can use it in the washroom, you can use it anywhere to refresh the hair. The exception is, do not use it where people there are some people are sensitive to fragrance oil. So make sure in your home you don't have people that are sensitive to fragrance oil, because it can cause, you know, them to have reaction. You don't want that. So that's about it. If you have any question about making your home fragrance spray professionally, not DIY, feel free to drop the comment in the comment box below. If you want to learn more about skincare formulation, show some love by clicking the subscribe button and the notification icon, so as to be the one to be notified when we upload new videos. Also, if you want to learn more about skincare formulation, head over to naturalskincareschool.com. There you're going to see a lot of formulas where you can use to make great and stable skincare product. And for each formula, you keep upgrading your skill. All our formula come with step-by-step instruction geared towards, you know, newbie or even professional skincare formulator. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video.